friends, so today I would love to share with you this awesome rolling cart. This product, guys, it's so slim, making it perfect for you to fit it in narrow spaces. So this whole product is made in steel. It's very good quality, nice and robust, and also very stable. So when you roll it, it doesn't easily shake. This product comes with 3 mesh basket for you to store items, but you also have this top shelf right here made in wood, and it comes in a rustic brown color. So in addition, guys, it comes with 4 rotating wheels that you can use to easily carry your cart around. And guys, it is such a great product, super easy to assemble. And again, I love the fact that it's very slim because that way you can easily fit it anywhere you want. So this product will be great for you to use it in your kitchen, in your living room. You can also place it in your bathroom or in your laundry room. It will help you save space, and it has plenty of area for you to store items. I absolutely recommend it, and I really hope you will enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.